Hey, what's up guys? And I ordered for Amazon Basic 128 GB SD card. I ordered two, but I've got one packet and it says it has been delivered. Two have been delivered, so let's see whether it's been delivered or not. You can see here's the packet. Okay, all seems good, nothing is torn, as you can see. Everything seems fine. This is all packed up. So now let's open it. So we are looking out for two Amazon Basic SD cards, 128 GB, new 3, and yes, 1 and 2. You can see Amazon Basic. Okay, they look new. It has got tape here, tape here, tape here, tape here. So let's, what does it say? 128 GB. It says 128 GB micro SD XC memory card with full size adapter, 100 MB megabytes per second, U3. That is what I was looking out for. U3, yes, made in looks like China, made in China or Japan.co.jp. sorry, this looks Japanese, so JP. So let us open it and see. Let's open it and see. Let's open it and see. Dun, dun, dun. Yes sir, can you see? 128 GB. Looks nice. सस्ते में मिला तो ले लिया for some $700 on Amazon sale. Look at this 128 GB. 2. Can you see? 2. So well, it's Amazon Basic, so whatever comes from Amazon is and made by for Amazon is good for me. I can trust them. Thank you. Bye.